YouTube, we back with another video. We are in the beam. We about to go to JT's house and wake up and vlog. It is still foggy outside. So we back again. Bit right here. What'd you say? That's tough.
Oh my God. That's so fire, bro.
Yeah. Yeah. We about to go to Starbucks right now. And then we got a few stops. Starbucks and then Jamba Juice. Dude, we're in the city. So yeah, we almost at Starbucks. Just another left turn. But yeah. Let me know if you enjoyed the vlogs. I read every comment, so that's JT right there. Hey, can you even park right here? While tweaking? Why didn't we playing hood music? We got Panda, we got Starbucks, and then we got, no, not Starbucks, Subway. And then we got Starbucks in there. He drove and he crashed, and he was tweaking out, and it went viral on Instagram. I don't know if you've seen it. You got it already? Okay. I don't know if you've seen it, but it's crazy. That's tough. What is that? What is that? What's that?
Pumpkin shit.
Pumpkin bit. It's an actual movie. You want to play? He want to play. He want to play with a nigga. Why he want to play with a nigga? You know what I'm saying? Great breaks. Why he want to play with a nigga? Why he cheating, bro? Why he cheating, bro? Why you cheating? He got the hit, bro. Come on, asshole. This shit is crazy, bro. Yeah.
Wife, we know her from way back when. If it's a Rolls, then it's gotta be a colour. G63 if Mercedes Benz. If I ask her to send me a foot picture, she'll think I'm a weirdo.
I love foot pictures.
Admit you can't down it. You can't.
She don't listen to UK rap.
Dude, he is garbage at driving. You can't just back out. Yo, chill, bro. Why did you try to hit me?
Because, you know, you ever watch GTA? You ever played GTA?
Yeah.
You ever saw you hit somebody in their body, like sometimes it's just so strong, the car is so powerful that the body just goes under the car instead of flying. Money spawns out of nowhere. Admit you realize you're broke one day and you're like, wait, I have to lock in, and then 1 week later you have $900 just chilling. Admit it. Admit if you actually try, money just appears out of nowhere. When are you gonna admit it?
Nah, I don't mark. Bro, we looking at intakes right now, bro. Bro, get this one, bro. I'm telling you.
Well, let me my auntie buy it. Hey, I need this part for the car. It's not working. I'm dead by the car.
Dude. No, what the fuck is this?
Little ass shit. RC car.
Switch got the Burger King. It's a middle of the lights. But yeah, we like 20 minutes away from home. Just chilling. You're gonna understand.
I admit you are known. I admit it. I admit it.
Huh?
I admit it. I admit you're known.
I know.
I admit vlogging is gonna. I admit.
Everybody, who am I?
admit vlogging will get you known.
Yes.
I admit it.
You too.
I don't
You
admit
got
it.
more clients.
I don't want to be known. I want to make
Look
money.
at that.
Admit the fastest way to be known is by murdering 18 people. Admit it.
The fastest, easiest.
Exactly. So therefore, if you want to be known, you're a murderer. Admit it.
It gotta be a big one because you can just do it and nobody cares.
But that is not true. Admit it.
You gotta do it.
Admit if you write a note with your
in
IG
a
on each body, you write.
strategic way. You gotta
Admit on
do it.
each body if you write a note with your IG, you become famous. Admit it.
Yeah.
Admit it. All right, now when you start gassing, put it at like 1.5 on the RPMs. There you go. 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 There you go, bro.
And then it shifted by itself.
Start braking. Start braking.
Break,
Start braking.
and then turn.
You want
Soft.
to brake and turn at the same time, like F1.
More. You're good. You're good.
All right, go one more time, and then more gas.
More gas, go. Turn more. And then more gas.
Look at your tachometer, bro. Put it at 1.5. See, it shifted. Start braking.
No.
You got it,
Fuck.
you got it easy.
Yeah.
So I hit the corner.
Yeah.
So go. There you go. Gas. Now start braking.
Just a little bit.
There
Yep.
you
Yep.
go. Okay,
Good.
start
And then turn.
Amazing. Good.
Yeah. You don't have to. You don't have to do that. Yeah. It's great.
That's what
Ooh.
You got to turn and brake at the same time. You don't have to, but like, it builds a good habit. All right, gas. Gas. Start braking.
I knew I could learn quick because
Yeah.
I've been grinding on F1 every day, bro.
Go. Gas.
Yeah.
No, don't be scared of it, bro. It's supposed to shift. Start braking.
No, he's a manual. I ain't gonna lie. Yo.
Yo.
No. Yes. Pedestrians always have the right of way. Pedestrians always have the right of way. And then, yeah, you saw that on the test. So, yep, straighten out.
Yes.
Yes, man. And then we're gonna park again.
Go right.
Go right, and then you're gonna park again. Right. Yeah, do this one.
Perfect.
Amazing.
Start straightening out a little bit. Just the wheel.
He didn't put his seatbelt on.